Have you always heard that Macs are safer? Or that Macs don't get viruses? This is actually somewhat misleading. It is technically true that computers running a Windows operating system dominate the market, and Macs make up a much smaller percentage of the market. So for hackers, it's more lucrative to target Windows, so they create viruses and think of clever ways to hack Windows-based computers. But social engineering is another form of hacking, and you aren't protected no matter if you're using Windows or a Mac. In this video, we will explain why. Make sure you stick around till the end for the best way to stay safe from falling victim to hackers. Social engineering is a way of tricking users of computers running any operating system, Mac or Windows, into clicking on links in emails or links on websites that lead to illegitimate websites, and eventually trick you into providing important information that may cause harm to your computer or, far worse, harm to your personal life. Taking out money from your bank account by leading you to a fake PayPal webpage, or even sending you a fake password reset email with a phishing link. Now, both Microsoft and Apple have a lot of resources allocated to finding and patching vulnerabilities and protecting your computer from viruses and malware, but they are by no means perfect. The first thing you can do is exercise caution when clicking on links, especially within emails, by identifying the sender of the email. Usually it's a spam email address that is made to look legitimate, or even identifying the web page you land on if you do end up clicking on a potentially malicious link. And secondly, we recommend a complex password made up of numbers, upper and lowercase letters, and symbols with a length of at least 10 to 15 characters. Remember to never share your passwords with anyone, and it's best to use a password manager to help manage all your passwords. And finally, we highly recommend you have software on your computer to help protect you against the latest threats and malware out there on the internet. Our recommendation is Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is the best premium anti-malware solution for all your devices, including MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and even as a browser extension. Malwarebytes provides 24/7 real-time protection against the latest malicious websites, viruses, malware, and spyware that could potentially compromise your computer. Malwarebytes even blocks those annoying ads that pop up on websites. Using our special link in the description below, you will receive 25% off today. Keep your computer protected with this offer for just $33.74 US for an entire year. And hey, if you want to try it before you buy it, check out the 14-day free trial available through the same link in the description below. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.